say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what? Say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, keeping on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all chromed out in a Hummer bed. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you're off this way, 'cause you and your girls wanna ride. Play all day, puff on the line. Say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what? You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. That you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I it's lost and hope. don't item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. Yeah, and my love is patient and kind of shit.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go wet my hair because I don't feel like dealing with this misty spray bottle, and then I will be back.
Right, it's just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you want. Nothing was ever the same.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Asteria Hair, and today you guys, I'm reviewing this beautiful long 28-inch unit. You guys, I am in love. First of all, y'all know I love me a good long unit. Like if it's not inches, I don't want it. Like let's just be clear on that. So today I am reviewing this gorgeous closure 28-inch unit. I'm not sure what kind of texture this is because it's different. It's like a wave more than it is like a curl. Like it's not like that Jerry curly texture. It's definitely giving like a nice deep wave type of vibe, but I don't know the texture, so don't quote me. Make sure you check out that description box down below for all the details and info to this hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous, you guys, all the way down to the very ends of the hair. I really like this texture. The hair in the back, like it's super full all the way down to the ends. Absolutely gorgeous unit, and it's perfect for the summer months. Okay, like this is definitely vacation hair. If you guys have a vacation coming up, if you guys have a birthday coming up, whatever the occasion, like you're gonna want this unit. If you're going to any beach parties, if you're going to the pool, a nice cute little pool party, like this is pool party ready. First of all, it's a closure, so because it's a closure, it's gonna save you a lot of time getting ready. You don't have to worry about doing the extras. If you don't want to do the baby hair like I did, you don't have to. You can actually just apply this unit and be good to go. I did have to correct my part today because I did customize this unit. For reference, I always customize my units. I always make sure that I bleach plus tone the unit. A lot of times when you're like bleaching units, you end up like over bleaching your roots. It's just something that happens even to the best of us, so don't worry. Make sure you use this product right here. This is a Clairol root corrector pen. I will have this link down below. This is a lifesaver whenever you over bleach your roots, okay? As you guys can see, my part is perfect. And I know a lot of people used to do this thing where they would put like their comb in the part and then they would like spray it with some spray. I don't like to do that because for one, I feel like when you do that, you make your part way too small because of this comb. Like the comb is not, I don't know, I feel like the comb is just not, this is like too tiny. And then it looks too perfect. So it gives like, remember when people used to do like those quick weaves and then they would like make a part, like make a fake scalp part? Like that's the kind of vibe that gives me. So I don't like doing that. I prefer to use a Clairol root corrector pen. It'll correct everything you need it to do. But just make sure when you're using this, don't apply pressure. Like don't squeeze it out and start putting, because you'll end up putting too much product out and then you'll have black dye all on your lace, because this will stain your lace. So be careful with this because it will stain your lace, okay? And the only thing that I did, you guys, was wet my hair. This is the natural texture of the hair. Hold on, let's correct that. This is the natural texture of this hair. Beautiful, gorgeous. You don't have to put any product on this hair whatsoever. A lot of times people ask me like what's in my spray bottle. This spray bottle is just water. I don't do the conditioner and water thing. That's something that people have been doing for years. If you do that, then go for it. But me personally, I just use water. Now for the top portion of my hair, I did show you guys that I used a lot of body, and I only use this just to tame my hair so it's not like super bulky at the top. And it still gives you, you know, you still have your curl pattern and everything, but it just helps tame the hair, and it helps with like any potential flyaways as well. I do actually like the lace in this unit. One thing that I actually did not do today was pluck it. I did not pluck this unit at all. I didn't pluck any hairs like anywhere. I just bleached my knots and then I applied the unit after washing it and everything. But yeah, I did not like pluck the hairline or anything like that. So this is what it's giving. This is what the lace is giving. I would say honestly, before I put the baby hairs in though, that it looked fine without the baby hairs and the lace melted pretty good. And I love the fact that they give you this really dope edge melt band. Like Asteria, you guys are definitely paying attention to what the girls need, because I absolutely love this. And I think it's essential honestly at this point. Like if you are applying your units and you want to get like an effortless melt on your units, use this, okay? They provide it with your hair, so you don't have to worry about buying one. A lot of people use elastic. I don't mind using elastic, but I like the fact that this has like a Velcro strap. Now I do still end up tying this in the back just because I have a smaller head, so I tie it just so it can be like super tight. Then I close it using the Velcro strap. So I love this. I'm glad that they sent this in my hair package. So if you do order this unit, just know that this comes in there and your lace is going to be melted to perfection. I didn't leave mine on that long. Honestly, I left mine on for like 2-3 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie. Only because I'm like, girl, I gotta go. I need to get this done. So that's that. And all in all, you guys, I would highly recommend this unit. I know that a lot of people are on vacation right now. A lot of people are going on trips, and you guys are looking for a hair for your trip. This is definitely going to be the hair for your next trip. Or if you just want to go out and look cute during the summertime, like, let's just be honest, like everybody likes a good long curly unit. I'm going to pull all the hair up front just so you guys can see how full this unit is, because even though this is a long unit, it's very full without being bulky. You know what I mean? And that's what I like, because I hate really big bulky units. Like, it's just so much gorgeous hair. I love the curls from the root all the way down to the ends. Like, it's just definitely giving everything that it needs to give, and I think you guys are going to love this one. If you guys are interested in picking up this unit for yourself and trying it out, because who doesn't want a long 28-inch unit, okay? Make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.